Operators Association has meeting Magilli along with Director and Captain of Ports. Mainly issues are related to the Captain of Ports and tourism interface. एक important असा की tourismचो uniformity of rates असं खूप important आशिल्ली. Month of June we have taken all their details, we have taken their inputs, and we wanted to ensure that uniformity is there. ती uniformity करपाक departmentan दिवच्यापेक्षा we have asked them only to come with those things. As several issues of other associations, uniformity of kiosks, branding of kiosks, uniformity of rates, illegal touting card, tours and travels, illegal operate karta and packages they sell karta which are affecting water sports. All these have been discussed. In the next 10 days, we propose calling all the coastal MLAs, the other departments, other captain of ports, and other parent departments which are included. The police असो, आमचो TPU असो, बाकीचे खंयचे concerned departments हांगा आपोवन तांचो व्यवस्थित घालपाक कित्याक शेवटी आमचे वॉटर स्पोर्ट्स आर हँडल बाय आवर ट्रेडिशनल गोवन ब्रदर्स. तांकां सपोर्ट दिवप, ट्रान्सपरन्सी दवरप आनी एट द सेम टायम गुड एक्सपिरियन्स टुरिस्टांक दिवप हे म्हाका दिसता आमचें ध्येय आसा. There are concerns because a lot of our own taxi or other brothers who have been there in the business of tourism are selling tickets towards Malwand and other areas in terms of water sports. These concerns also need to be addressed with along with the issues with the coastal MLAs. We will also talk to our Honorable Chief Minister and ensure that this also gets addressed at the earlier. Director already आम्ही सांगितले आसा की enforcement खंय जाय ते चालू करात आणि ensure that proper directions are given. The registered association should get due support from our side and we have to collaboratively work. So आजची meeting प्रमाणे we have been able to put a lot of things together. Look forward to their support as ambassadors of tourism to take these things ahead. And तांकां कितें सपोर्ट जाय थंय आज कॅप्टन ऑफ पोर्ट्स आनी डायरेक्टर टुरिजमान सविस्तर डिस्कशन जे केलां तातूंतल्यान बरो पॉझिटिव्ह तोडगो येता. अँड आय शूड थँक द एसोसिएशन्स फॉर हॅव्हिंग कम अप विथ दिस युनिफॉर्मिटी ऑफ रेट सोल्युशन. बाकीचे जातूंतल्यान नॉर्थाक वचूं सावथाक वचूं एक रेट आशिल्ल्यान तांकां एक्सपिरियन्स घेवपाकूय बरें पडटलें आनी अंडर कटींग जावचें ना हे म्हजे तरी समज आसा. त्या प्रमाणें आमी फुडें वतले and look forward to a good tourism year. That business has started, we look at good numbers, and these numbers who are coming in, whether international or domestic, should have great experiences, and water sports are one of the experiences where they come into Goa for.
Myself, Paul Silvera, I'm a water sport president for all over Goa. Today we had a meeting with the Department of Tourism with regards to the uniformity of the rates. It is a long pending issue. We've been submitting for many years that we should have a rates uniform, the rides uniform. Today we had a very fruitful meeting with the tourism minister, with the director of tourism and the captain of port. We have discussed what are the concerns we were facing all these years. So we had put our demand saying that we required uniformity of rates. And the director of tourism has already accepted whatever demands we have been told, and henceforth we will be starting hopefully on Monday as soon as we get officially the rates gazetted, and after that we will be starting the water sport activities. No, what is to happen is the tourists who have been cheated saying that we are not getting the right what we pay, because this problem there were agents who were taking bookings for a higher price, and then this agent is to come to the beach anywhere in Goa and they used to give us the price which was less than half what we used to charge. And since there was so much of competition in the market, and because they were getting the price, like you say, what you get, what you pay. So the rides were short, and there was nobody to control this thing. So we thought why not give the tourism department our say, saying that the ride has to be with certain price. The price also has to be looked into, and whoever wants more ride, the longer ride, then the price definitely increase. And this is how we have asked them to do. We also have given in writing the letter for for Panchayat also we had given to cancel all the agents' booking where these agents have been taking, and we also have given Department of Tourism the uniformity of rates. Yeah, these are the rates which we have given uniform. You look at this. Okay, so these rates will be circulated throughout Goa. So by Monday, the director promises and the tourism minister promises that once we get the rate, then we ask the port captain of port issue us the license, because we've been requesting the captain of port to keep the NOCs on hold. So once we get the gazetted rate, then we can start.
तुम्ही पळयतात गोंयकारपण, गोंयकारांचो गोंयकारा खातीर.